First thing first, realistic and consistent character images means you can easily become an Instagram or Facebook influencer and earn money through it. Many people are earning through AI influencer on Instagram just for one post. They charge a lot of dollars because they have a significant following. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lot of consistent images for free. If you are interested in learning more about AI influencers, in the next video, I'll demonstrate how to make clips from the same AI generated images. So let's get started. Segment number 1. So this video is divided into these segments for better understanding. Focusing on AI, first we will create a character using a prompt. You can use any prompt to make the best AI influencer for yourself. You can choose any browser, but Opera GX and the Google Chrome, these are the best browser. Anyways, now what we are going to do next, focus AI. I'll provide the link in the description. Actually, that's more easier for you to navigate on the exact page. Now, if you have a good GPU, high-end GPU, then you can download it and it's absolutely free. You don't need to waste any dollar or any money. And using your specs, you can generate all these images, right? But if you don't have a good PC specs, then you can use the online one, which is absolutely free. I'll provide the link in the description so it's easier for you to navigate on the website. Now this is the Focus Colab AI. Simply you need to click here on the connect T4. Once you connect here, now the next step is click here and it will take only a few seconds. Okay guys, once it is done, now you will see here run on public URL, which is the gradio.live. Just click on this and it will redirect you on the AI interface. Now here you will see input images, advanced images. Just check both options. On the left side you will see the resolutions, the quality, the extreme speed, but speed is fine because we need better result and all that stuff. Now how many images you want to generate, you can choose from here. I guess right now 2 is enough because we are using a free version and it's a bit slow. So that's it. Now the first thing we are going to do here, upscale or variation, in which you can enhance your images. Just drop your image over here and then click on generate. It will enhance the image quality. But we are generating first a beautiful image. Just click on the image prompt and you can type any command and generate some AI influencer faces and then click on generate. It will take only a few seconds and you will get here the images. Now we will add the same image to the prompt, but we will turn on advanced mode to show more features of Focus AI. Next, we will choose the face swap option and then type our prompt. By using the prompt and face swap feature, we can generate more images of the same character. Now there's another way you can change the image pose by using Google Image. So find a few images on Google that you want to swap with your character. Then you can do another thing with this tool. Let me show you. I have downloaded an image from Pinterest. After downloading, simply you need to put it over here. Use the face swap, choose image over here, and then the pose that you want. And face swap and make sure choose here the Paracani, and then if you want to add prompt something, then you can do, otherwise just click on generate. And here's the result. The same image, but the dress or face swap has been done 100% identically. In this way, you can create different poses or images without any investment and you can get a free AI influencer. Now, I hope you love this video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.